Guns, grief, and goats. A fatal police shooting in St. Mary is now being investigated by the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM. It's suspected that those who were shot and killed were stealing goats, but the relatives of the deceased are questioning the cops' report. The shooting happened sometime after 2 a.m. along the Agualta Vale Main Road in St. Mary on Friday. By sunrise, INDECOM officers were already at the Anato Bay police station wrapping up their preliminary investigation. When asked for details, head of the St. Mary Police, DSP Dalian Clark, said a police team on patrol signaled a black Toyota Platts motorcar to stop. He says the driver disobeyed and sped away, with the cops giving chase.
Thereafter, the car came to a stop along that said main road. 3 men alighted from the said car, opened gunfire at the police. The fire was returned. When the shooting subsided, 2 of the 3 men were found suffering from gunshot wounds. 2 legal firearms were recovered from both men. They were subsequently taken to the Anato Bay Hospital, where they were pronounced dead.
The deceased have been identified as Delroy Hall, a vendor, and Jamar Plunkett, aka Boogie Reds, a laborer, both 27, from Love Lane in Anato Bay. The third person from the vehicle escaped on foot. INDECOM was called in and the scene processed.
And during the processing, 2 goats suspected to be stolen were found inside the trunk of that said motor car.
It's understood that in recent months, farmers in the parish have been suffering because of predial larceny. As news of the incident spread, persons converged on the police station. Some farmers did not hide their feelings.
This man feels so good. For what them do? Tell them to thief. Thief my boy, sir. Me have my 3 goats. 3 of them time me I see everything, and when me go, me only say 1. And every night, when me go in and remember I goat them, water run out of me yard.
However, relatives of the deceased had a different view. They believe there was no shootout.
Them youth are not thief in you. Because them youth have everything for themselves easy and comfortable. Women know have. Them youth are not for thief, not in general.
I want them police and if you chill, bro. You see me I say? Because you pull up on a man, you can find some other ways where you can do for investigate or try to approach a car in a different way. You cannot shoot up a car at first, go so. You see me, because one car pull up, because one car park up in a curfew hours. You see me, you go shoot up car. That's not right, brother.
Up to late this afternoon, the goats still had not been claimed by anyone. The JCF and INDECOM are conducting separate investigations.